everyone, it's Anna Basilmentos here, and I know I rarely make update videos, but I just wanted to make this one to show you my new blog because my brother recently redid it. He's really into editing graphics, and he made me a really cool blog page, and I have an FAQ page, I have a page of polls, I have links to all of my sites, and I have a bunch of cool blog posts too. So I'm just going to give you a quick tour, and then I'm going to ask you guys to go check it out because I think it's pretty cool. This is what it looks like. This is a picture I took at the American Girl place, and my brother edited out the part where it said American Girl, and he put Basil Mentos instead. Then I have all my dolls over all of the different links. So this link to home is just the main blog page. This is my Flickr photo stream, but I have lots of photos up there. This is a link to a page I have of polls, and I only have 2 polls up so far. And then this is a link to a page of FAQ, which is probably the most useful page on here because so many people ask me questions, and I know this looks intimidating and long, but it's really useful. So before you send me a personal message, please go to the FAQ page on my blog and just take a look. My brother also made me a footer for my blog at the bottom, and when you click this, it takes you back to the top, which I think is super cool. So that's the story about my blog. I hope you guys will go check it out, and I hope you enjoy it. I also have a quick update, which is sort of what everyone's saying right now, because everyone's going back to school. We have a lot less time to work on our videos, and I'm sure you guys can relate to that, but the school that I'm going to this year is really vigorous academically, so I'm really not going to have much time to work on my videos, and I find that really sad. But I'm still going to try to upload once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. I really don't know what my schedule is going to allow, but I am going to try to upload as much as I can. So I will see you guys when I get the option, and I hope you enjoy my blog. I hope you still comment and like my videos. I really appreciate having you guys.
I really hope that you enjoyed the show.